So hello everyone, my name is Thomas Hanida. I'm Marketing Manager for Industrial Edge. Well, welcome to this tech meetup at the Digital Enterprise Virtual Experience. The topic of this session is co-creation as business fundamentals. And one word up front, so you will get a general information package at the end of the this fair. And but however, we are not allowed to collect your email address and send dedicated material later to you. So if you want to know more information, we have a contact slide at the end of this meeting, and please make a screenshot and contact us if you're interested in further information. So yeah, let's go to the next slide. So what you see here is the holistic IIoT offering from Siemens. Starting at the bottom where the data is generated from various machines or sensors or actors. And this one is covered by our Synetic portfolio. The layer above shows the industrial edge layer, which allows data pre-processing or do transparency applications close to where the data is produced. The next layer above is the cloud layer, covered by our MindSphere portfolio, where we do the centralized data processing and analytics. And the top layer is the Mendix layer, where we can create with a low-code environment applications for either the cloud or the edge. So today we have two partners here, which they're going to show you application built on Industrial Edge and MindSphere. And let's start with Zander. So Patrick,
yes, perfect, thanks. So hello and a warm welcome also from my side. I'm pleased to introduce the ZANDER Energie-Monitor to you today. My name is Patrick Eckloff, Managing Director and responsible for digital sales in the ZANDER Group. With me, Philip Meyer from CodeStrike will present the solution, and for questions and answers about Siemens, Mr. Valentin Dinkelbach will support us. Thank you, Valentin. So, short introduction to ZANDER. ZANDER is a B2B wholesaler for electrical and sanitary products and services. ZANDER Group is in close contact with craft and industry clients and professional partners from all over Germany every day. So we deliver products and solutions of the leading suppliers from more than 100 locations in Germany one stop. If you want to know more about ZANDER or me, you can find me on LinkedIn or Facebook also. Our self-conception is to be a digital data highway between suppliers, craftsmen, industry and end users. After intense discussions within ZANDER based on client requests, we thought about how to build an easy IoT solution. We came up with the idea to generate different IoT starter packages with Siemens and MindSphere and offer them to our clients from now on. So here on the Hannover Messe, it's the first presentation. The basic ideas now present Philip from CodeStrike. Philip, your stage.
Yes, thank you. And hi everyone, it's a pleasure for me as well to join this presentation of what has been jointly developed with ZANDER Group and Siemens. My name is Philip Meyer, I'm the Managing Director and co-founder of CodeStrike. And CodeStrike is an industrial IoT company that offers services such as consulting and software development, as well as our own products, for example, our connectivity middleware VergeLink. We are one of the most active Siemens MindSphere partners, and I will quickly dive into the solution that has been developed. When we first met Mr. Eckloff and his team, they presented us clear challenges that small and medium businesses have in their day-to-day business when it comes to energy management. The first challenge is about the policies and regulatory requirements. Policies such as the ISO 50001 require, for example, that continuous improvement of energy efficiency is measured and made transparent. Also, for some businesses, it's important to be able to delineate energy consumption from the core production process against other energy consumption. But these regulatory requirements can oftentimes not be met because there is a lack of transparency over the energy usage in these businesses. And so SMBs oftentimes don't even know their main consumption points, their inefficiencies, and oftentimes even the energy invoices are not really comprehensible for these businesses. Another challenge is that they are not able to measure the impact of energy saving measures. So what was the energy consumption before and after taking such an energy saving measure? And peak loads can oftentimes neither be tracked nor be avoided. And all these challenges are quite expensive if not addressed correctly. And the question is, why don't they solve these problems? And the answer is quite short. Current solutions for energy management and monitoring are very expensive. They require a lot of know-how, and they are oftentimes very time-consuming. And on the next slide, you can see the vision that has been set up when we jointly developed this project. So Zander told us that they wanted to be able to provide their clients and partners an IoT solution that could reduce energy consumption by helping them to identify their inefficiencies and improving their understanding of their electrical distribution system. But the solution that we wanted to develop together should differ from what has already been there in the market, and we needed to focus on an easy-to-use system and an application that doesn't come along with large initial investment and that has very low operating cost. And then the ZANDERiot Energie-Monitor was born. The Energie-Monitor is a package that includes hardware as well as software. The hardware is energy meters and an IPC from Siemens, which connects these energy meters to the MindSphere. And there is software, the MindSphere platform, and an application written on this platform where the user can analyze, can have transparency over the energy usage and meet the policies and requirements that I told you about before. Also, the software has a very good and awesome user experience. That means everyone can install and use the system. And on the next slide, you can see what I mean when I say everyone. The clients need to go through these 3 steps. First, they order the package, which, as I said, consists of hardware and software. And then they install the hardware, which are the energy meters. This is quite easy for everyone who is in charge of facility management, for example, or energy management or building management. And then the solution is activated. And the activation is takes about 5 minutes. You just scan a QR code, more or less click 3 times on next, and then the energy meters are connected to the MindSphere cloud and can be and the data can be used in the application that we developed. But let's take a closer look at the solution itself with the help of the explainer video, which can be shown on the next slide.
ZANDERiot. The ZANDERiot Energie-Monitor is an easy-to-use IoT solution that enables full transparency of energy consumption in buildings by connecting energy meters to the cloud. Electricity is one of the largest cost items in the operation of buildings. Rising costs for emitted CO2 and stricter requirements for energy management, such as through ISO 50001 guideline, make an analysis of electricity consumption and the main consumers highly relevant. Lack of opportunities to analyze cause and effect makes it difficult to evaluate measures to reduce electricity consumption. For example, to what extent was it worth switching from normal lighting to LED lighting? Zander has a cost-effective solution for this. The ZANDERiot Energie-Monitor is an end-to-end solution for monitoring and analyzing power consumption. The complete solution can be put into operation in just 3 steps. Simply order, install, and activate. You're ready to go within 5 minutes. This makes it child's play to analyze fluctuations in energy consumption, identify key consumers, and validate energy-saving measures. Do you also want transparency about the energy consumption of your company? Then order the ZANDERiot Energie-Monitor now in a bundle with all necessary components from hardware to software.
So thanks a lot to Philip from CodeStrike. We know CodeStrike about the Siemens partner network, the Siemens MindSphere world. And we are enthusiastic about the MindSphere network and Siemens MindSphere and happy about this great partnership. So thank you very much. So on the next slide, you can see we have put together a simple and low-cost solution with Siemens industrial IoT gateways. I think it's a IoT 2050. And we have energy meters with a MindSphere package on the right. So the energy meters purchased in addition to the package. So the basic package is in Germany with 499 euros in the market. And on the right side, you can see the license prices per month for the energy meters. It's packages with 1 meter, up to 5, up to 10, and up to 20 meters. So the meters can be integrated in the power grid, and on this way all consumers can be easily analyzed by floors or consumer groups in the cable cabinet. So the solution can be put into operation by a craftsman in 1 or 2 hours and creates immediate transparency. The low invest and the running low costs are quickly recouped. So on the next slide, we can see the largest consumers in a building are listed here. So already from a small saving per month with the investment pays off. With the transparency we give in real time, decisions support to identify the biggest savings potentials in the company and easily identify cause and effect of measures. Users of the Energy Monitor can use the solution to immediately learn about the topics of sustainability, energy saving, digitalization, and agility. So we develop the Energy Monitor in a Scrum process all 2 weeks with updates from now on. Our solution is perfect for small and medium-sized companies with 1 or more sites. Craftsmen, control cabinet manufacturers can offer the solution to their customers. So one word, by the way, the cool thing about the Energy Monitor is it's just like in the App Store. Anyway, use Siemens devices in the cable distribution cabinet can be so easily connected and used with the app immediately in real time. When loading the app, also immediately creates an individual MindSphere account, a real added value. And as a wholesaler, we offer a model for resellers. So we have the possibility as Zander's member of the Imerco worldwide. We offer the solution with Imerco network also worldwide. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks Patrick, thanks Philip for this presentation, and I totally agree, sustainability is one of the key topics today, and energy management is really important to tackle these challenges.